Hello, dear students. Okay, welcome. So today I'm going to teach you the other side of zero. This is your mathematics class 6 NCERT topic. Okay. So what is the other side of zero? What does it mean? So till now you've all heard of whole numbers. These are the whole numbers, right? Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4 are all whole numbers. They don't include negative numbers. Whole numbers do not include negative digits. Okay. And what are these types of numbers called? 1 by 2, 3 by 8, and 3 by 2, and then 13 by 6, and even 3 by 8. What are these called? These are called fractions, right? So, have you seen on the number line also uh, they can be put it on the number. We can put these numbers on number line also, right? Like these are the whole numbers which have been put it on the number line. Okay. So actually, this is actually a number array or number line. As in your book, it is given it is only a number array, or it is a number line also. But these are the numbers and digits so far we have learned, right? So in this chapter, we will be learning about something called beyond these numbers. So do we have a number set of numbers just less than zero? Any idea? Or we have seen numbers only to the right of zero, right? Can we have numbers to the left of zero? So my answer is yes. So we will see how. So we will see how. Okay. So now we will see this person, Bela's building of fun. In your book, it is given Bela's building of fun. Okay. Bela, it is named. So this shopkeeper by name Bela, she is selling ice cream. Okay, tasty ice cream, and she's also having a tasty ice cream over here, to- which is being sold, and also she has toys and other games, and even a cinema theater is there in her building. So let us assume this as the ground floor. Let us assume this as the ground floor. This is the ground floor. On top, these are all the top numbers. Can you see there's a lift over here? Yes, there is a lift. Okay. So to go above the ground level, we will press the plus button in the lift. And to go below the ground level, we will press the minus button in the lift. Okay. So that means if you press plus one time, then you can go to the first floor. Okay. Similarly, if you press minus two times, you can go to the second basement floor. Okay. This one uh, you can correlate with the, you can see in a railway station, in a railway station, in the suburban areas and all. So they'll have a lift in the ground floor, and on top they will come. I mean, they'll have the first floor. Then again, they'll have a second floor, and here they have in the bottom they have something called as urban, suburban. Okay, or even in the parking areas, or even in the, or if you take any shopping malls, they'll have first floor, second floor in the building. But if you want to park the vehicles in the shopping malls, you can see there is some parking area one, parking area two. Parking area one is a negative first floor. I mean, floor in the basement level, first floor in the basement level, where we can park the two wheelers. And coming to downward, they have some parking facility for cars. So you would have seen them in the shopping malls, right? That kind of, they would have, instead of negative, they've mentioned it as basement one, basement two. Okay, if you can notice, you can go to a mall and then notice the lift over there, then you can see this. So now let us see this Bela's building of fun. Okay, so what she does, in the third, suppose this is the ground floor. Okay, this is the first floor, the second floor, the third floor. In the third floor, she has all the books. Fourth floor, she has all the ice cream. And here, she has all the toys in the basement floor one. And she has a cinema over here on the basement floor three. Okay. So suppose you want to go to the fourth floor, how many times you'll have to press plus? Yes, this four times. So if you want to go to the fourth floor on the top, you have to press plus four times. So this becomes plus four. Similarly, if you want to go to the cinema theater, what will you do? You'll have to press minus three times. So it is minus three. Okay. That is what is the idea behind this, the concept behind it. So if you see there's a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To the left, it will be a negative set of digits minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So if you notice this ground floor is the 0. The 0 is the ground floor. And all these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are positive numbers. And these are negative numbers. Okay. So here one thing you can notice, this is more important. This is more important if you notice 1 minute. Let me highlight that. 0 is neither positive nor a negative number. Similarly, a number with a plus in front is called a positive number, and the number with a minus in front is called a negative number. Okay, so let us see addition to keep track of the moment. So if you want to find the target floor over here, so the starting floor plus the moment. So for example, the starting floor is plus one. It is given as food court over here. It is given as food court over here, and you want to go to plus 2, that is bookstore. You want to go to plus 2. So which is at the third floor. This is the welcome hall. Welcome hall is in the ground floor, and this is the first floor. Art art is the second floor. Books is the third floor. Ice cream is the fourth floor. With that it goes on. Toys is the minus one floor. Cinema is the minus two. Okay. And sorry, cinema is the minus three. Games is the minus two floor. Okay. So now see here. Now let us try to solve some questions. So in this example, starting floor is plus one, food court, and the number of button presses is plus two. Therefore, you reach the target floor plus one plus two is plus three. Now, let us try to analyze this first one. Figure it out question. You start from floor plus two. So plus two, and then you press minus three in the list. So plus minus three, plus minus three. So where will you reach? Write an expression for this answer. So it is minus one. You will reach the where will you reach in the minus one? What is given in the minus one over here? You will reach the toys floor. You will reach the toys floor. As per this. Now evaluate these expressions. You may think of them as a starting floor movement by referring to the building of one. Whatever is in the previous Vela's building of one, you will have to refer to that. Okay. Now see here. Plus one plus four. So plus one plus four is plus five. What is given on plus five? Any guesses? Yes, plus five and plus two. So you have sports over there. You have the sports in plus five. Now plus four plus minus three. So plus four plus minus three it is plus one. Similarly, minus one plus of one. So your minus one and plus one will get cancelled. You'll get zero. Okay. And you have to evaluate the expressions. Okay. 0 plus minus 2. In the number line, you have 0. You will go to the left, minus 1, minus 2. So it is minus 2. Plus 4 plus 1. So it is plus 5 over here. That is, in the number line, if you take it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But as per the Bela's concept, so as per the Bela's building of fun, if you see here, plus 4 plus 1. The plus 4 is the icing. The plus 1 will give the fourth shop. Okay. So you have to evaluate and you have to mention to which floor it goes. That is all. Nothing more. Plus 4 plus minus 3. So in this, if you take, for example, in this, plus 4 you have. You are in the ice cream floor. And you want to do minus 3. So minus 1, come to the third floor. Again, minus 1, you come to the art shop, art center, art center floor. Again, minus 1, you come to the food court. So you will reach the food court over here. This plus 1 and it is food court. And here it is a sport. Similarly, minus 1 plus 1. So now we'll go to the minus 1. That you will go to the, yeah. Now we'll go to the toys floor over here. Minus 1. The plus 1 will reach the welcome hall over here because you are going to the ground floor, no? The ground floor is the welcome hall. Okay? So answer is 0 and it is the ground floor. Similarly, 0 plus minus 2. 0 means it indicates the ground floor. Now you're going to do the plus, you're going to press the minus button 2 times. So you come to the video games here. You come to the video games here. Okay. So it is minus 2 and it is the video games. Similarly, plus 4. There in the plus 4 where you were, when you go to the plus 4, it is in the ice cream floor. But now when you add 1 to it, you'll go to the fourth floor, fourth floor. Okay. So plus 5 and it is the fourth floor. Now minus 1 plus 2. Come to minus 1. Now plus 2 will go topward. So plus 1 will go to the ground floor. Again plus 2 will go to the fourth floor. See, you have toys over here. No? You have toys over here. This is the welcome hall. This is the welcome hall. Toys, video games, cinema, ghost house, dinosaur, food court, art center, books, ice cream, sports, and then space. So what they have given over here? Minus 1 plus 2 plus 2. So what will happen over here? 0 here. This is 0 over here. This is 0. Toys is minus 1. So you have plus first minus 1. Now you have to go for plus 2. So when you press plus 1, you'll go to the welcome hall. Again, when you press one more plus 1, you will go to the food court. So the answer is +1 and food court. Okay. Now next is 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2. What happens over here in this? Now you are in the ground floor over here. Now, when you're in the ground floor over here, you will press plus 1 once, again plus 1 again. So you will be in the art center over here. So answer is +2 and art center. Okay. Now starting from different floors, find the movements required to reach floor -5. So what happens is this is -1, -2, cinema is -3, ghost house is -4, dinosaur is -5. Now it is not as such because according to the Bela's building fund only, we have to go here. Okay. According to the Bela's building fund only, we have to go over here. Food court is +1, art center is +2, books is +3, ice cream is +4, sports is +5, space is +6 over here. Okay. So what will happen over here? Starting from different floors, find the movements required to reach floor -5. For instance, they have given if they start at +2, that is if they start at art center, then press -7 three times, I mean -7 times. So they'll reach the floor. So what are the possibilities over here? The first possibility they have already given. +2 plus -7 is equal to -5. Now what is the next possibility I can give you? If you start at the ground floor, then you press -5 plus -5, you can reach -5. Okay, then you can reach a dinosaur floor. The third one, if you do +1 and press -6 times, +1 plus of -6, so it is -5. Okay, next. Again, if you do +3, then you have to do +3 plus of -8, so it is -5. Again, +4 plus of, we have to go according to this Bela's building fund. That's all. Plus of -9. So we'll get -5. Similarly, the fifth one, +5 plus of -10. That is -5. The last one, +6 plus of -11 times, because you'll be pressing -11 times from the sixth floor over here. So you'll go to the dinosaur. So these are the answers. You can note it down. I'll give you some time, 2 minutes time. Okay. I'm erasing the board. The next part is combining button presses is also addition. Combining button presses is also addition. What does this mean? See, Gurmit was in the toy store, wanted to go down 2 floors. By mistake, he pressed the plus button 2 times. He realized his mistake and quickly pressed the minus button 3 times. How many floors or above the toy store will reach? The Gurmit will go 1 floor down. We can show the movement resulting from combining button presses as an expression. So +2 plus of -3. 3 times he will press. So it is -1. Now let us see this. Evaluate these expressions. It's another figure it out. Evaluate an expression by thinking of them as the resulting moment of combining button press. So +1 plus of +4 is +5. +1 plus of +4 it is +5. Similarly, +4 plus of +1 it is +5. Okay. So he'll go to the first floor and then he will press 4 times. Plus. So he'll go to the fifth floor. So what is on the fifth floor as I said? Yes, it is a sports. floor. Okay. Again, I repeat, it is 0 plus 1. Welcome hall. Welcome hall is the plus 1. Sorry. Welcome hall is the ground floor. Food court is the plus 1. Art center is the plus 2. Books is the plus 3 third floor. Ice cream is the plus 4. Sports is plus 5. Play is plus 6. And toys is minus 1. Video games is minus 2. My cinema is minus 3. Ghost house is minus 4. Dinosaur is minus 5. Okay. So what happens over here? On the ground floor, I'm sorry, you're going to this one, plus 1. So the plus 1 there in the food court over here, and plus 4 when you add, you'll get the sports center. So only plus 4, you're at the ice cream center, and plus 4 you will be, and plus 1 you will be, you will be pressing one more plus button in the left, so it will be plus 5. So this is the sports center, sports floor. Okay, this is the sports floor. Now plus 4 you have already in the fourth floor. But you realize you have to go down still. So you will be pressing minus 3 times. So minus 1 time, minus 1 time you'll go to the third floor. Minus for the second time you'll go to the second floor. Minus 1 time you'll go to the minus third time. Okay. All these 1, 2, 3 are times, number of times. So first time you're pressing minus, you'll go to the book floor. Again time you're pressing the minus, you'll go to the art center floor. Again time you're pressing the minus, you will go to the food court floor. Okay. Now again you will be doing minus 2 times. So minus first time, again you will go to the ground floor. Again minus for the second time, you will go to the toy floor. Okay, so you'll be getting the answer as minus 1 and toy. Now minus 1 plus 2 plus minus 3. Now let us see this expression. To which floor it will lead you to? Let's see this. So you're in minus 1, that is you're in toy floor. Now you will do plus 2. So plus 1 time. So you will go to the welcome hall. Again plus 2 times you will go to the first floor. That is the food court floor. Now minus 3. So you'll be pressing minus 3 times. So minus 1 time. So you will come to the welcome hall. Again minus 1 more time. You will come to the toy floor. Again minus 1 more time. So it is the minus 1 more time. You go to the video games floor. Okay. There's minus. You can cross verify. Even in the number line, you can cross verify. And if you go to the number line, you can cross verify. It will be the same answer. That is the video game floor. 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. The first thing, minus 1. You are under minus 1. You're going plus 2 times. So plus 1, plus 2. So here you are in the first floor. Now you'll be coming back. No? Let me indicate with the red. Now from 1, you will go 0. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So this is the minus 2. That is the video games floor. Did you understand? So it is the video games floor. Now let us go to this. On the ground floor, so I hope you have understood, no? So if you want, you can you can go backwards in the video and you can try to note on this point, or you can take a screenshot as it is, because I'm going to the next concept. Now back to zero. What is that back to zero? On the ground floor, Basant is in a great hurry, and by mistake he presses plus 3. So what he can do to cancel it and stay in the ground floor? You can cancel it by pressing minus 3. Okay. That is, we call minus 3 the inverse of plus 3. Inverse of plus 3 means in the number line, you can say it as an opposite. 0, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So here it is plus 3 means the inverse of plus 3 is minus 3. The same number but with a different sign. The same number but with a different sign. Similarly, the inverse of plus 2 is minus 2. Inverse of plus 2 is minus 2. Similarly, inverse of plus 1 is minus 1. This is the concept of back to 0. That's all. Okay. Now, if you see, what are the inverse of these numbers? So, for plus 4, it is, so let me use some other color reference. So, for plus 4, it is minus 4. For minus 4, it is plus 4. For minus 3, it is plus 3. For 0, it is 0. For plus 2, it is minus 2. For minus 1, it is plus 5. Now, you have to connect the inverses by drawing the numbers. So minus 7, the inverse of minus 7 is plus 7. Inverse of plus 5 is minus 5. Inverse of minus 8 is plus 8. Inverse of plus 9 is minus 9. So comparing numbers using the floor. You're going to compare the numbers using the floor. So how we will compare? Who is on the lowest floor? Jai is in the art center, so he is in the lowest floor. Now, Asin is in the sports center. So she is in the art center plus 2, as I said. Art center is plus 2, no? Now, sports means it is plus 5. The Asin is in the sports center. So, she is on the floor plus 5. Binu is in the cinema center. So she is on the floor minus 3. Okay. Now, Aman is in the toys shop. So, he is on floor, yes, minus 1. Correct. Okay. Now, let us see. Floor plus 3 is lower than plus 4. So, you can say this in this particular welcome hall. Let me redraw it. Redraw the same thing again over here, so that I can have it as a reference here on the left side permanently. See, I'm going to draw the same floor again. The Bela's building fund. Okay. Now, this is the case for ice cream, books, arts center, food court. Every time we are referring to this, so please refer to this every time. This particular building, Bela's building fund, this will act as your number line. If you want to cross verify, you can draw a number line and then you can cross verify. Okay. Toys, video games, cinema, ghost house. I am reading it as a ghost house. If you are reading it, if you are able to see some other word, you can keep that as a floor. And it is last is dinosaur. So if you see this, let me mark it. Welcome hall is 0. Food court is plus 1. Art center is plus 2. Books is plus 3. Ice cream is plus 4. Sports is plus 5. Space is plus 6. Toys is minus 1. Video games is minus 2. Cinema is minus 3. Ghost house is minus 4. Dinosaurus minus 5. If you see floor plus 3, it is lower than plus 4. So if we can compare these two as plus 3 is less than plus 4. Similarly, plus 4 is greater than plus. But should we have to write minus 3 less than minus 4? If you see minus 3 is on the top over here and minus 4 is over here. So minus 3 is above the minus 4. So we have to say it as minus 3 is greater than minus. Okay. And also we have to write it as minus 4 is less than minus 3. We need to do it that way. Okay. Now let us compare the following numbers using the building of 1 and fill in the numbers greater, less than greater. So I have framed this over here so that you can refer here. Now here it is minus 2 and plus 5. Plus 5 is here, minus 2 is here. Plus 5 is above minus 2. So you can see minus 2 is less than plus 5. Similarly, minus 5 and plus 4. So by seeing itself, you can tell minus 5 is less than plus 4. Now can you guess this? The minus 5 is less than minus 3. Why? Because it is below minus 3, right? Now plus 6 is equal to minus. So it is equal to minus. Sorry, not equal to. If it is of the same sign, then we can put equal to. If it is of the same sign, we can put equal to. But it is not of the same sign, right? So that's what they do the mistake here. Plus 6, minus 6, plus 6, plus 6, minus 6, minus 6. Here plus 6 is equal to plus 6. Minus 6 is equal to minus 6. Fine. But here this is plus 6 and this is minus 6. So according to the building of 1, you will put greater than symbol over here because even though they are same numbers, we have different signs. So plus 6 is greater than minus. So you'll have to put a greater than symbol. Now 0. 0 is here and minus 4 is here. So 0 is less than, sorry, 0 is more than this one because it is minus 4 over here. It is minus 4 over here. So 0 is greater than minus 4. But here if you see it is plus 4, no? So here you can put 0 is less than plus 4. So this is the answer. Notice that all the negative floors are below floor 0. And so all the negative numbers are less than 0. So all the positive numbers are above floor 0. So all the positive numbers are greater than 0. So these are important points. So what you can do, you can highlight them in the book, your book. Okay. So that all the negative number floors are below floor 0. So all negative numbers are less than 0. All the positive number floors are above floor 0. So all positive numbers are greater than 0. Now, imagine that the building of fun with more floors. You are imagining the building of fun with more number of floors. So compare the numbers and fill in with the boxes less than or greater than. So I will do two examples. You'll have to find out the rest. Now, 0 and negative number. So 0 is greater than the negative number. So you will put a greater than symbol. Okay. Now minus 25 minus 7. Minus 25 is less than minus 7. Now plus 15 and minus 17. So plus 15 is greater than minus 7. Now you can do this and put your answers in the comment box. Okay. Whatever I have marked over here, you can try. I can and you can put your answers in the comment box. Now, if floor A is minus 12, floor D is minus 1, and floor E is plus 1, in the building shown on the right as a line. So here it is given the right side of the line. So there's the right side of the line given. Let me lower it down. If floor A is minus 12, that is floor A is minus 12, floor D is minus 1, and floor E is plus 1, in the building shown on the right as a line, find the numbers of floors B, C, E, F, G. So here it is B. Here it is B. Okay. Here it is B. This is minus 12. This floor A is minus 12. So here it is in unit distance. So minus 12 means this will be minus 11, will be minus 10, floor B will be minus 9. So minus 9 is the answer. And floor C you have to find out. Because they're given at a distance over here. Minus 1, minus 1, 0, minus plus 1. And here it will be minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. So B will be minus 9. C will be minus 6. Now we need to find F over here. So we already have E. E is plus 1. So F will be plus 2. F will be plus 2. And G, we have to find G over here. So it is not as what you're thinking over here. Okay, chalo, let's see plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 will be the value. But here they've already given the lines over here. So every line you need to count. Plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6. So G is nothing but plus 6. And H is plus 7, plus 8, plus 9, plus 10, plus 10, plus 11. So H is plus 11 over here. So what are the values that you got? B is minus 9 because you can just mark it, no? Minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9. And C is minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. Minus 6. Now F is plus 2. And G is, there are three lines in between the unit distance. So plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6 over here. Plus 6. And H is plus 11 because after G plus 6, you have plus 7, plus 8, plus 9, plus 10, and then plus 11. Now next, mark the floor, following floors using the shown on the right. So you have to mark the floors. Okay, so you need to mark it over here. So this particular point below C will be minus 7. Let me re-explain this. So now we have found out the values, right? Let us write the values alone. Now let us write the values alone. Okay. So we have the value of B as minus 9, the value of C as minus 6, F as plus 2, G as plus 6, and H as plus 11. Now we want to find out where is minus 7. Minus 8, minus 7. So below it, below C is minus 7. So minus 4 you wanted. So minus 5, minus 4. This is minus 4. Now plus 3, above 2, above the rest it is plus 3. Plus 3. Now D is minus 10. So minus 10 you can write it over here below minus 9. So the red ones are for the answers of question number 4 and here this is question number 3 now. Okay. The number line whatever has been marked, the red colored ones are for answers for question number 4. Okay. I hope it is clear. Next the subtraction to find which button to press. Earlier slide we have seen addition. So now we will go to subtraction. What is the subtraction over here? Hmm. We can express the subtraction 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So 10 take away 4 is 6. Okay. So for the subtraction, this is the expression. Target floor minus starting floor is nothing but movement needed. Okay. In the addition, what we have learned? Addition, we have learned it as starting floor plus movement is target floor. But here in subtraction, it is target floor minus starting floor is the movement needed. That way. Now, for example, in the above example, the starting floor is plus 2, art center, and the target floor is plus 5. The button press to get plus 5 from plus 2 is plus 3. That is what we will do. Plus 5 minus plus 2. It is plus 3. Okay. So target floor, from the starting floor, we need the movement finger. Okay. Because in addition, we have learned, as I said, in addition, we have learned starting floor plus movement needed is target floor. Okay. Whereas starting floor plus what is target needed. So target floor minus starting floor is the question mark is the movement needed. Okay. This is the question mark. So for example, if the target floor is minus 1, starting floor is minus 2, what button should you press? This is the question. You need to go floor up, one floor up. So how will you do it? Minus 1 is already given over here. Minus 1 minus of minus 2. Minus 1 plus 2. So you have to press the plus button 2 times. Okay. So plus 1 to plus 2. So you will go to the foot. Now the target floor is minus 1 and starting floor is plus 3. What button should you press? So you need to go 4 floors down. How is it? Let us see. If you see here, you're in the minus. You're in the minus. But you want to go, you want to go to the plus 3. Okay. Target floor minus the starting floor. Target floor minus starting floor. So your minus into plus is minus. So you have to press the minus 3 times. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So minus 4 is the movement needed. So here, the target floor is minus 1 and the starting floor is plus 3. Okay. What button should you press? So you need to go 4 floors down. So you have to press minus 4 times. You have to press minus 4 times. So minus 1, minus 1 is here, minus, again minus, minus, minus. So minus 4 times. You will be in the ghost house. Similarly, the target floor is plus 2. Target floor is plus 2. So this is the target floor. And the starting floor is minus is the starting floor. So what is the plus 2 minus minus 2? Plus 2 minus minus 2. So here it is minus into minus is plus. So plus 2 is plus 4. So you have to go 4 floors up. So plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. So will be in the ice cream floor. That is what is the concept. That is what is the idea behind this concept. For everything you will be noticed, you will be having this building fund. Okay. Based on this only, you will be doing everything else. Okay. Now complete these expressions. The plus 1 minus of plus 4. So target floor is plus 1, starting floor is plus 4. So plus 1 minus 4, it is minus 3. So minus you have to press 3 times. Similarly, plus 4 minus plus 1. Target floor is plus 4. My plus 1 is the starting floor. Okay. That's what is being mentioned over here. No? Target floor minus starting floor is the movement needed. So plus 4 minus plus 1. Target floor is plus 4. Starting floor is plus 1. So plus 4 minus plus 1 is plus 3. So you need to press plus press the plus button 3 times. Here, how about here? Plus 4 minus of minus 3. So plus 4 plus 3 is plus 7. So plus you have to press the 7 times. Minus 1 minus of plus 2. So minus 1 minus 2. So it is minus 3. Similarly, minus 1 minus plus 1. So it is minus 2. So 0 minus plus 2. So it is minus 2. 0 minus of minus 2. So minus into minus is plus. So 0 plus 4 is plus 2. Now can you try to do these as a homework, or you can comment the answer for these in your comment box. Okay. So this is all about your addition and subtraction of numbers. Okay. On the number line or on the building fund. Now we have to see for the larger number. Then we will see using the number line. Okay. So in the next video, I will be doing addition and subtraction of larger numbers. Okay.